Today I am going to show you how to solve graphically the simultaneous equation. I am taking exercise 3.2 question number 7. 3.2 question number 7. You are asked to draw the graph and find out the vertices of the triangle. And the two equations given are x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to other two goes to the other side. Here also 3x is equal to 12 minus 2y. X is equal to this much I am getting. Now I will go on putting the value of x in equation 1, putting the value of y in equation n and get the corresponding value of x. I am putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, x is equal to definitely 1 plus 1 will be 2. Y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 plus 1 it is 0, x is equal to y is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. Same way in the other equation also say I am going to put y is equal to 0, 2 zeros are 0, remain 12 by 3, x is equal to 4 times. Next y is equal to 3, this is 6, 12 minus 6 is 6 by 3, it is 2 times. I am putting this y is equal to minus 3, this is plus 6, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 by 3 is 6 times. I am putting y is equal to 6, 2 6 are 12, 12 minus 12 is 0. This is how we will prepare the table. We will take the value of one of the variable from ourselves and get the corresponding value of another variable. Now this graph, these coordinates I am going to plot. Now the first one is, first of all I will divide the equation, this squared paper, into 4 parts. I will take a ruler, always use pencil, and I am going to draw the line. This is vertical line, this is called y-axis, y dash, this is y dash, this is y. Next I will draw horizontal line, this is x-axis, this is x-axis. See, I have drawn the two axes, x-axis and y-axis. This is x dash, this is x. Now this 4 part, each one is called quadrant. This is first quadrant, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. This first quadrant, x value is plus, y value is also plus. So first quadrant both plus plus. Second quadrant, this x-axis, this is minus and this is plus. So second quadrant is minus plus. Third quadrant, this one you see, this is minus line up to here, this origin minus, and this is also minus. So both the comes what? Minus minus. And fourth quadrant, this one, fourth quadrant is what? This is plus and this is minus. So this is plus minus. This is how we have divided this 4. Now what I have value here is 1 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So x is equal to what I am here, you see here small term numbers are there, here also the same type. So what I am going to take is 5 small square square is equal to 1 unit. That means from here this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Like that I have enlarged the scale. Now the first comes 1, 0. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is here. 1, 0. 2, 1. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to plus 1 will go up. This next. X is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1. This is here. And x is equal to 3. Y is equal to 2. X is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. And y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 plus 2. 1, 2. Thus, you got the 4 points on the same straight line. After completing one table, we will take our ruler and join the points. Join the coordinates. So, take the ruler. Always use pencil, sharp pencil, and draw the line. Full page. And put arrow on the both heads. This is the graph of first equation, graph obtained from the first equation. Now next, second one, what it is? 4 and 0. X is equal to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. And y is equal to 0. This is the point. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. This is the point. Next, x is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2, y is equal to 3, 1, 2, 3. This is second point. Next, x is equal to 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is coming here. This is 6. And y is equal to how much? Y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. It comes where? 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the point. Next, fourth point is x is equal to 0, y is equal to plus 6. It is coming 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is here. Now I will take the ruler and join it. See, all the 4 points given by the equation must lie on the same line. Now this is joined. So this is the graph obtained from these two equations. Now here you are asked to determine the 3 vertices of the triangle formed. So this is the triangle formed. This is the triangle formed. Now this point, and this point are the 3 vertices of the triangle. So this is how much? The x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. This one, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. And this is x is equal to 1, 2, 2 and up to here it is. This is the point. 2, 4 by 5, 2, 2, 4 by 5 and this is 2. Sorry, x is this is 0, 1, this is 2, after 2 this is 3, but this is 3 but the point, this point is coming here, so this is one small square is left, so this is x is 2 4 by 5, and y is, this is 1 4 by 5, 1 4 by 5. So these are the three vertices of the triangle. So that is all this one. One more, I am taking one more example I am putting here. This is your graph, this is completed. Now next one, you are asked to solve the system of linear equation graphically and find the area of the triangle formed. Next, two equations are given. There is one example I am putting. One equation is x minus y is equal to 1, and another equation is 2y plus 2x plus y is equal to 8. So this implies x is equal to y plus 1, and here y is equal to 8 minus 2x. Now we will make a table here. This is x, this is y. Y is equal to, I will put 0, x is equal to 1, y I will put 2, x is equal to how much? 2 plus 1, 3, x I will put minus 1, y I will put minus 1, x is equal to 0, x I will put minus, y I will put minus 2, then this is minus 1. Is it okay? Next, this table you see, this is x, this is y. Suppose x is equal to, I am going to put 1. X is equal to 1 means y is equal to how much? 6. X is equal to 2 means how much? This is 4. X is equal to 3 means how much? This is 2. X is equal to 4 is equal to how much? This is 0. Now, after finding like this table, we will take the squared paper again, and as before, we will divide the squared paper into 4 parts using ruler and pencil. This is how I am going to draw the y axis and x axis. This is y axis and this is x axis. This is x axis. This is x dash x, and this is y dash. Now we will take the first table. First table is a 1 0. Here also I will take same 5 small square is equal to 1 unit. So x is equal to 1, and y is equal to 0. This is coming here. X is equal to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Y is equal to plus 2, 1, 2. Next point is coming here. X is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. It is coming here. This is minus line. X is equal to minus 1, y is equal to, x is equal to minus 1, this is this side, minus 1, y is equal to minus 2, 1, 2. So I got this line, this points coordinates, 4 coordinates are on the same straight line. So I'll join it. Join the 4 points. All the 4 points should come on the same straight line. If any point is not coming, you verify it. Check the solution again. If solution is mistake, the point will not come on the same straight line. So that you must be careful in calculation. So this is your graph from the first table. This one. Next, this second table. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 6. X is equal to 1, y is equal to plus 6. Will go up. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 6. Next, 2, 4. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, x is equal to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, y is equal to how much? 2, 0, 1, 2 is coinciding, same point it is coming. Next, 4, 0, x is equal to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is here. Now these points, see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 5 only, this is the 6, it was correct. So now you see these points are coming on the same straight line. Now I am drawing the line. This is another line obtained from the second table. Now we formed a triangle. Triangle is formed. This triangle is formed. This is the triangle. Got it? Now this coordinate of A is how much? This is how much? 1, 0. So the 3 coordinates are of triangle are, first one is how much? 1, 0. 1, 0. Next one how much? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 0. And the third one is how much? X is equal to 1, 2, 3, y is equal to 2. 3, 2. This is what we got, the 3 coordinates. This and this are the coordinates. Now you are asked to find out the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to half into base into altitude. So this is equal to half into base how much? This is from here to here 1, this is 2, this is 3, base is 3, altitude is how much? Height from here, perpendicular height, this is 0, 1, 2, height is 2. This is cancelled, this is equal to 3 small square unit. 3 square unit. 3 small square unit. So this is how the area of the triangle of this is obtained. Now I'll put one more example, that is one linear equation they have given is, example, one linear they have given is linear equation they have given is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the linear equation you got. Now just I am taking out one table. Is table 3.4. This table 3.4. Now in the question, first question, you are